Today's world is not as safe as it once was. Attacks on civilians, car hijackings, and shootings among mafia members, among other terrible cases, are on the rise, particularly when people are on the move. It is estimated that 80% to 90% of assaults occur when traveling by car. Famous individuals, politicians, scientists, and the wealthy are all at risk. People feel the urge to protect themselves when traveling. They must arm themselves with armored vehicles. In today's video, we are going to discuss the ultimate bulletproof car, Rezvani Vengence. So, subscribe to the channel and stick around till the end of the video to know how this amazing bulletproof car can save you from a lethal attack. A Rezvani can easily be spotted from a long distance, especially if you are a gamer. Whether it's the tank SUV or the six-wheeled Hercules truck, their vehicles are among the most eye-catching on public highways. The company is quite proud of this, even going so far as to say that these vehicles help revolutionize the dull SUV space. With such a diverse portfolio, what's next? Where does Rezvani proceed from here? Unsurprisingly, the next step for the company is a bulletproof 7-seater SUV driven by a supercharged V8. It's called the Vengence, and it's designed to seem like something from the first Halo game, rather than anything you'd get at your local Whole Foods. The Vengeance's prime goal, according to Rezvani, is to make its user feel like they're driving something right out of a video game. They styled it with the help of Milan Ivanov, a digital artist and video game developer. The end design resembles a future military vehicle, replete with an abundance of LEDs, sharp body lines, and a large light bar at the back. Standard 22-inch wheels are covered in 35-inch off-road tires. Bulletproof glass, underneath bomb protection, military run-flat tires, infrared night vision cameras, and electrified door handles are among the optional additions available on armored Vengeances. A smoke screen, steel ram bumpers, strobe lights, and blinding lights are also there to defend the vehicle. Other features include bulletproof vests and helmets, gas masks, a first aid kit, a hypothermia kit, pepper spray, magnetic deadbolts, and an intercom system are all included. There's also an explosive device detecting system and a 1,000-watt battery pack with solar panels for off-grid charging for added peace of mind. The Vengeance's supercharged V8 engine produces 690 horsepower and 673 foot-pounds of torque. Rezvani has yet to release the power and torque ratings for the normally aspirated V8 and turbo diesel V6 that will join the range in the future. The Vengence is available with 3 engines, beginning with the basic 6.2-liter V8 producing 313 kilowatts and 623 nanometers. There's also a 207 kilowatts / 624 nanometer 3.0-liter straight-six turbo diesel and the Escalade 509 kilowatts / 885 nanometer V's 6.2-liter supercharged V8. The Vengence has 3 rows of seats on the inside, with comfortable seating for 7 passengers, while Rezvani claims it can take up to 8 passengers. Only if you're willing to drop a further $125,000 on the car. Rezvani will replace the second and third row of seats with an executive seating area featuring 2 heated and ventilated reclining seats with built-in massaging, a driver partition, large TV, an array of iPads, Starry Night or illuminated headliner, and a bar, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Rezvani's first 7-seater SUV is now available for purchase, with a starting price of $249,000. Two extra models are currently available for order along with the Vengence: the Tank, which is based on the Jeep Wrangler, and the Hercules, which is a modified Jeep Gladiator with 4 or 6 wheels. The Vengence starts at $249,000 and may go up to $607,750 with all extras selected, including the military package, executive seats, gun rack, and center console safe. To put things in perspective, The short wheelbase Cadillac Escalade starts at $79,795 while the Escalade V starts at $149,695 Despite the fact that we have yet to see it in metal, the Vengence appears to be the brand's most ambitious endeavor yet. It goes with the idea of futuristic, sci-fi-inspired design, delivering yet another eye-catching vehicle to complement the brand's portfolio. Well, this brings an end to our video, but we will come back with some new and interesting videos of future in the future. Till then, make sure that you like our video, and do share your views and opinions with us in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel New World Tech to get tech videos from us regularly, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.